Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 25 Outrages. I do apologize about the noise. I'm right next to the highway here. Anyways, we're going to go through the boat. I'll show you some of the options on it. One of the nicest features about the Whaler is your big deep V up front, big reverse chines. That equates to a very dry, stable ride. Between the hull and the deck, she's all closed cell foam. They call it unibody construction. Very high quality and very good safety. This particular one we have with the big Mercury 225 Verados. The 25 with these motors has extremely good performance. We did do the optional underwater lights here, which are very, very bright. There's actually 3 of them. And this one has your hard top electronics box, and there's also your aft spreader lights. So when we come in here, we've got our freshwater right here, very easy to get to. Gives you nice seating in the back that folds out of the way. Real big fish boxes, port and starboard, and because it's foam filled, they're naturally insulated. We've got nice deep gunnels all the way around the boat. This one has the full combing bolsters all the way around, as well as windlass to raise and lower your anchor. And you can see you've got nice seating here as well. Then you've got another area here for dry storage, or you can use as a cooler. Very, very comfortable all the way around. And at the helm here, we've got tilt steering wheel, digital throttle and shift, vessel view, fusion stereo, plenty of room here if you want to add electronics to the boat, and very, very low maintenance with your hardtop here. So this is the 2017 Boston Whaler 25 Outrage, offered by MarineMax in Venice. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. Feel free to give us a call. The number here at the store is 941-485-3388. Feel free to give us a ring. Thanks for taking the time. We'll talk to you soon.